Enhance your bathroom with the Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom, which offers timeless elegance and design flexibility. It features a brushed brass profile and a cosmopolitan fluted glass design that makes it suitable for installation on shower trays and tiled Wetroom floors, allowing you to create your dream space. Even if your walls are uneven, you don't have to worry because the Scudo S8 provides a significant adjustment for out-of-true walls, ensuring a seamless installation every time. You can customize your brushed brass shower enclosure by using 1 or 2 panels to suit your needs and preferences. Also, the 8mm safety glass ensures quality and safety, making it perfect for creating a sanctuary that reflects your personal style. Add luxury to your showering experience today with the Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with its superior craftsmanship. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.